If you have ever come across this thing while using the internet, then you need to watch this video to the very end, as I'm gonna be showing you 3 websites that is gonna pay you to solve captcha online. But before that, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Samuel, and on this channel I make videos about making money online. So if this is what interests you, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is going to notify you instantly. And also do well to like this video as you are watching. Let's begin. So the first website that is going to pay you to solve captcha online is called CryptoEarns.com. Once you tap on the first link in the description section of this video, you are going to be taken to this interface. So to create an account on this website, all you need to do is to click on this sign up, as you can see on the screen right now. And once you click on that, you'll be taken to another interface where you're going to be inputting your details. So all you need to do is to input your email address, enter your password and confirm your password. Then you're going to solve the captcha, and once you solve the captcha, you are going to click on register and your account is going to be created on this website. So immediately you click on register, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. And all you need to do is to come over to this hamburger icon at the left top corner of your home screen right now. Once you tap on that, you scroll downward to the end section where you're going to be seeing multiple ways to actually start earning with this website. So all you need to do is to leverage on these ways and start using them to make money for yourself. So once you've made enough coins and you are ready to withdraw, of course there are no withdrawal limit on this website. Any amount can be withdrawn on this website. So all you need to do is to click on your withdraw button and you are going to be taken to another interface where you're going to be giving your faucet pay email address. That's the wallet they're going to be sending the money into, and you are going to be inputting the amount which you want to withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, the amount is going to be sent into your faucet pay account. Now the second website on my list right now is called the Vive Faucet. So once you click on the second link in the description section of this video, you are going to be taken to this interface where you are going to be opportune to create an account for yourself. Now to create an account, all you need to do is to click on this register button. So once you click on that register button, another interface is going to pop up for you where you're going to be inputting your registration details. So all you need to do right now is to input your email, your username, your password, confirm your password, and click on I am not a robot. Now once you click on that, you are going to click on register, and once you click on register, you are going to be taken to your dashboard immediately. Now this is how your dashboard is going to look like, and all you need to do to start making money with this website also is to come over to this hamburger icon at the top left corner of your home screen right now, and once you click on that, another interface is going to pop up where you're going to be seeing some ways you can basically earn on this website also. So the minimum withdrawal on this website is just 500 token, and once you've gotten to 500 token, you can basically place withdrawal on this website using your faucet pay account or your CC wallet account. So the third website on my list is called arubu.net. Once you click on the third link in the description section of this video, you are going to be taken to this interface. And as you can see on the screen right now, with this website you can claim free cryptocurrency every 5 minutes. And also they have many methods which are paid to click, shots, links, offer words, achievements, and so on. And they also have instant payment on this website. So once you scroll downward, you are going to be seeing some different cryptocurrency which you can basically claim on this website. As you can see, you can claim BTC, you can claim Ethereum, you can claim Doge, you can claim Litecoin, you can claim Bitcoin Cash, you can claim Dash, you can claim Tron, and so many other cryptocurrency you can basically claim on this website. So to claim any cryptocurrency, all you need to do is to click on this blue button at the bottom of any cryptocurrency you want to claim, and once you click on that, you'll be taken to another interface. So you will need a faucet pay account to actually claim this faucet, as you can see on the screen right now. So once you've created a faucet pay account, you just need to drop your email at this space right now and scroll downward, and you are going to click on login or register. So once you click on login or register, your account is going to be created. They are going to send you a verification link into your Gmail account. So all you need to do is to click on that link to verify your account. So this is the email right now. All you need to do is to tap on the confirmation link, and once you tap on the confirmation link, it's gonna confirm your account immediately. So as you can see on the screen right now, it's saying the account has been successfully confirmed. You can log in now. You may log in now. So all you need to do is to log in using the cryptocurrency you want to claim. So what you have to do is to click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner of your home screen right now, and once you tap on that, you are going to tap on faucets and you are going to choose Tron. Then you are going to scroll downward and you are going to click the blue claim from faucet button. So once you click on that, another interface is going to show up where you're going to be solving CAPTCHA. So as you can see on the screen right now, this is the CAPTCHA you need to solve. So you need to click on the I am not a robot, and you're going to check this upper part and choose the answer as arranged there. So you are going to click on claim now, and once you click on that, it's going to send the amount into your faucet pay account. So that will be the end of the video. If you have any question, kindly leave that in the comment section below. I will not hesitate to reply your comment. Thanks for watching this video right from the beginning to the very end. If you've gained value from this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is gonna notify you instantly. Until I see you in my next video, keep winning. Bye for me, guys. Peace.